to put a Honeywell thermostat together correctly from the internal pieces to the external pieces. It's very simple. You can remove the film on the screen, separate the front and the back with your thumb. This would normally mount up onto the wall. In the back here, this is where you would normally see where you put the batteries, and then you put it back on the wall for functioning. But if for some reason there's a concern on the internal pieces, there's a tab down here and a tab here. Pull those loose. That gets you to the motherboard. There's another tab here where my thumb is. You can roll that up and out. And then you've got to the screen. And what is typically a concern is this rubber ribbon for communicating between the screen and the motherboard. So if you've got everything out, make sure your screen is setting in the slot correctly. Make sure the clear backer is setting in correctly and flush. And then the rubber ribbon goes in the slot at the top of the clear screen, the backer screen. And it will communicate with the motherboard. When you go to put it back together again, have your switches full left, and then everything will line up, the internal and the external switches. On this inner case, line the two tabs up at the top, slide those into their slot, and then snap this in place. And that will get you going. You can put your batteries in and put it back on the mounting board. Thank you.